you really want to do good in stock market, you have to trade smarter, not harder. So be horse, don't be the donkey. There are so many strategies which we can use as part of the AI. So I'm going to talk about some of the pointers which is going to help you a lot in your journey if you really want to do good in stock market. Now, in terms of the AI tool, there are so many tools which are there, something like ChatGPT, Bard, and other things. Now let's quickly go into the best tool ever, which is called ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT if there are some sort of stock market strategy which is having 100% accuracy. So let's ask ChatGPT. So can you give me the strategy which is having 100% accuracy? And let's see what ChatGPT is going to give you. So ChatGPT is going to give us all the answers. And can you see here what ChatGPT is telling is, I'm sorry, it is not feasible to provide a strategy with 100% accuracy. So ChatGPT also knows that there is no strategy which is having 100% accuracy. How to use ChatGPT or AI in stock market? So there are different ways how you can use ChatGPT or AI. You cannot ask directly ChatGPT that which strategy you have to use, or maybe which strategy will give us 100% accuracy. We have to go indirectly. Now let's quickly jump into the ChatGPT and try to understand which all places we can use Screener. Screener is one of the tools where we do the analysis of the stock. So it is a very, very popular tool which we personally use most of the time in our society. Now let's go ahead and pick some sort of stock. So maybe, for example, I'll go ahead with the stock called Tata Motors. There are so many informations are available for Tata Motors. Now, would you agree with me that if I go through all the data, it is going to take more than 1 hour of time? After going through all the data, we might get wrong. Human brain is not designed to process so many data in just so much of less time. And we might get some sort of mistakes also. The error will come into picture. We are going to use ChatGPT to process all the data. Let me use some of those, the data, something like the stock profit and loss from the stock which is there. And let me give ChatGPT some sort of prompt. So I'll ask ChatGPT, give me this data in tabular format. And if you see here, ChatGPT is going to give me the data in beautiful tabular format. So it is going to create some sort of on the table also. I believe you are an investor. So many of you are investors who are watching this video. So let's do the analysis of the stock called Tata Motor from the investment perspective. So I can go here and ask ChatGPT, can you give me the analysis of above data? Or maybe I'll go ahead with financial analysis because we want to do the investment. And let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So ChatGPT is going to go through all the data and it is going to process and give me all the information which is required for me to take the action. Now, would you agree with me that if I could have gone through this data, it could have taken more than 1 hour of my time? But here we are able to do it in just 30 seconds itself if your internet is fast. Now, I talked about the investment. Let's talk about the trader. If you are a trader, you want to ask ChatGPT how to do the trading in the stock called Tata Motor. So you can go there and ask ChatGPT, can you give me the analysis of above company from the trading perspective? Now, what is going to happen is ChatGPT is going to go through all the data. However, profit and loss is not a good idea to do the trading, but it will try to process and give you some sort of data, something like what is the market sentiment, risk factor, technical analysis, and diversification. So basically what I mean to say is I wanted to show you that we can cut short our journey. So you don't need to spend 1 hour, 1 day of your time to do the analysis. Rather than that, you will be able to do it in just minute itself if your internet is fast. The first and foremost thing is what I told is you have to elevate your stock market potential with AI driven solutions. You have to try to figure out which sort of AI solution can be incorporated in stock market. And that's what we do in our Makemyinvest also. So we are integrating AI and those are working so well. Now, these are the different use cases where you can use AI. The first and foremost use case is to do the data analysis, the way how we have done right now. Little bit earlier, what we have done is we have got the data from Screener and we are trying to process the data. We are doing the data analysis. So ChatGPT or AI can be the best friend for you if you want to do the analysis of the data. Next one, you can do the risk management using, ChatGPT or AI. So something like if you will take that particular position, how much risk you are going to take, how much reward you are going to get it. So you can do the complete risk management and the analysis using AI. The third place where you can use AI is called speed and efficiency. As I talked about, if I could have done using my own brain, it could have taken more than 1 hour from my time to do the analysis of the stock called Tata Motors. But I was able to do it in just jiffy, right? So that is the magic of the AI and the potential of AI, where you will be able to speed up your process efficiency. And the best part over there is you are going to get the accurate result. Okay, so which is so important if you are into stock market. The next one is you can write your Pine script using AI. So I think you know that if you are from technical analysis perspective, if you are having the background of technical analysis, we are having those Pine script code which are available inside our TradingView. So ChatGPT is going to help you so that you can write your Pine script code. Even if you do not know about Java, C, C++, you will be able to write amazing code on Pine script without having a coding skill. So this is one of the amazing thing which you can use in ChatGPT. So basically, there are some of the use cases which are very popular, which we use in our society. The next one is called backtesting. Now, let's think that you got 5 strategies. You want to find out which of the strategies are working so well and which is the strategy which I should use it based on my risk tolerance. So ChatGPT or AI is going to help you a lot for that. You can do the backtesting of last 7 to 8 years data. Process all the data and you can come to know that which of the strategy is best suited based on our requirement. The next one is called market analysis. You can use ChatGPT and AI to do the market analysis of how the market is behaving based on different sentiments, what is happening globally, overall market, the way how it is looking like, whether it is a bearish, bullish or sideways. So you will be able to do the market analysis very easily using AI. The next one is called sentiment analysis. You will be able to understand the trend of the market, how it is behaving, whether the trend is having strength or not, the trend or the signal which are getting is whether it is matching with the market sentiment or not. So you can do the analysis of all of those. The next one is called market forecasting. You want to see what is going to happen in next few months or few years or maybe within a few days. You will be able to do the forecasting really accurately with the help of ChatGPT and of course with the help of AI. The next one is system trading. There are some sort of places where we always get stuck. Whenever we want to take the position, we think twice before clicking on the buy or sell button. But AI is going to help you out. System trading is the place where we can use ChatGPT and AI to do the trading instantly. Okay, so no need to wait for the signal which is coming from your subconscious mind. Rather than as soon as you will click on the buy or sell button, you never know, you might get wrong also. But when you are doing system trading, your emotion will not be there, right? So that is the beautiful part about system trading, which we can use using AI to do the system trading also. And the next one is called high frequency trading. When you click on the buy or sell button, if you're thinking so much time, if you're taking maybe 30 seconds of your time, within those 30 seconds, your another systems are coming. There are so many algo tradings are running. When you're clicking on the buy or sell button, thinking for 1 minute, within 1 minute, system will come and take your money from your pocket. So the things are changing really rapidly. So if you want to do the high frequency trade, then AI is the best one which you can utilize. And what else? We have integrated this AI in our, the day-to-day life in terms of the stock market, high frequency trade. If you want to do the system trading, you want to get in the market forecasting, sentiment analysis, you want to do the market analysis, backtesting of the strategies, free of cost. You don't need to pay even 1 rupee to do the backtesting if you know AI. Then writing the Pine script if you want to get the efficiency, risk management and data analysis. So these are some of the places where we use AI in our society. And what next? Now AI is being adopted in different companies, different places. So you got to adapt AI currently in stock market. So if you really want to do good, what are you waiting for? If you want to know more about how to use AI, how to do the system trading, I'm going to conduct one special masterclass very soon, within a week itself. So link will be there in the description section. Please go and check out. And looking forward to meeting you inside my community. I wanted to show you what is currently happening in the market. AI is the future and AI is the best. As I told you in the beginning itself, don't be donkey, be a horse. Looking forward to meeting you inside